Valentine's Day has become one of the most commercialized holidays, often associated with expensive gifts, fancy dinners, and elaborate surprises. But does showing love really have to come with a hefty price tag? Absolutely not. The true essence of this special day is about love, connection, and meaningful moments, none of which require overspending. If you're looking for ways to celebrate Valentine's Day the minimalist and frugal way, this video is for you. Here are simple, budget-friendly, and thoughtful ways to make Valentine's Day special without breaking the bank. Many people feel pressured to spend big on Valentine's Day, thinking that the amount of money spent reflects the depth of their love. The reality is that the best relationships thrive on quality time, appreciation, and shared experiences, not material things. Instead of focusing on what to buy, focus on what you can do to make your partner feel truly valued. A simple, heartfelt gesture or an experience you share together can mean far more than an expensive gift. Ask yourself, what does my partner truly enjoy? What makes them feel loved? Once you shift the focus from spending to meaningful connection, you'll find that the best ways to celebrate are often the simplest ones. You don't need to go to a fancy restaurant or plan an extravagant outing to have a romantic date. Some of the best moments happen when you keep things simple and intimate. Instead of dining out at an expensive restaurant, why not cook a meal together? Choose a recipe you both love or try something new. Cooking together can be a fun, bonding experience, and you'll have full control over the ingredients and atmosphere. Skip the overpriced movie tickets and opt for a cozy at-home movie night instead. Pick a romantic classic or a movie that has sentimental value for your relationship. There's something undeniably romantic about spending time in nature. A simple walk in the park, a scenic hike, or even a picnic under the stars can create a memorable Valentine's Day experience. Gifts are a traditional part of Valentine's Day, but they don't have to be expensive to be meaningful. A handwritten letter is one of the most intimate and meaningful gifts you can give. Fill a small jar with notes about your favorite moments together, inside jokes, and sweet messages. Music has a way of bringing back memories and emotions. Create a playlist of songs that have special meaning in your relationship. Instead of buying something generic, try making something yourself. The best expressions of love cost nothing at all. A heartfelt I love you can mean more than any store-bought present. At the end of the day, Valentine's Day is about connection, appreciation, and love. You don't need an expensive dinner, flashy gifts, or elaborate plans to make it special. The best memories are often the ones that don't cost anything at all. This year, focus on the little things that matter most: time, effort, and thoughtfulness. Celebrate in a way that aligns with your values and relationship, rather than what society tells you to do. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more frugal and minimalist living tips. How are you celebrating Valentine's Day this year? Let me know in the comments.